Welcome to Me Rice. Today we are going to make malaypickle. Ingredients are 500 grams of dates, 250 grams of small onions, 100 grams of big onions, 50 grams of green chili, 100 grams of banana paper, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of mustard paste, 3 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of pepper powder, 3 tablespoons of jaggery powder, 3 tablespoons of sugar powder, required amount of salt. Soak the mustard seeds for 5 minutes. Separate the seeds. Clean it properly. Crush the mustard seeds with crusher bowl. Crush the garlic and ginger with crusher bowl. And crush the dates with crusher bowl. Do you know that we have uploaded several videos on our YouTube channel? Please do watch, like, comment, and subscribe. Add chili powder. Add pepper powder. Add sugar. Add jaggery powder. Add garlic, ginger, and mustard paste. Add required amount of salt. All the ingredients and measurements are given in the description below. Mix everything properly. Add tamarind sauce. Add the tamarind sauce. Do you know that you can preserve the pickle paste separately in the refrigerator? Today we use small amount of paste. Add the remaining ingredients to the prepared pickle paste. Mix everything together. Pickle is about to ready. finished making the malaypickle. If you're interested in our YouTube, please subscribe, link and comment. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you soon with another video.